Hello everyone, welcome to my course on International Financial System. I'm the course instructor Muhammad Iftikharul Islam Bhuiya. This is module 1 and during this module we will cover Introduction to International Business and Finance. In this video we will cover theories of international business. Let's look at the agenda of this module first. First of all, we will cover theories of international business. Then we will learn how firms engage in international business. There are 6 international business methods. And finally, we will cover exposure to international risks. Let me give you a definition of international finance first. International finance is mainly a branch of financial economics, and it covers topics like monetary and macroeconomic interactions between 2 or more countries. Now let's look at the theories of international business. These theories also give us the answer why firms expand their business internationally. So what are the reasons behind expanding business internationally? First of all, the theory of comparative advantage. Based on this theory, countries should specialize in production so that they can increase their production efficiency. For example, Bangladesh has expertise in jute production. On the other hand, Brazil has expertise in coffee production. So, based on this theory, Bangladesh should specialize in jute production because Bangladesh can produce jute in most efficient way. Similarly, Brazil should produce coffee only because Brazil can produce jute in a most efficient way. So, Bangladesh will export jute to Brazil and import coffee from Brazil. Similarly, Brazil will export coffee to Bangladesh and import jute from Bangladesh. So, based on this theory, international trade or international business is required between Bangladesh and Brazil if they specialize in production. The second theory is imperfect market theory. Based on this theory, the market for various resources used in production are imperfect. For example, factors of production like raw materials, labors are not freely available around the world. For example, labor cost is low in Bangladesh, whereas labor cost is really high in USA. But due to immigration restrictions and other restrictions, USA cannot take labors from Bangladesh. So what US manufacturers do, they usually establish their factories in countries like Bangladesh so that they can get access to low cost labor. As a result, American businesses are expanding their operations in countries like Bangladesh. So, based on this theory, as market for raw materials or for other factors of production are imperfect, businesses need to expand their business internationally. And the final theory is product cycle theory. As per this theory, when a firm matures, it may recognize additional opportunities outside its home country. For example, Pran RFL initially started its operation in Bangladesh. Gradually, Pran expanded its business internationally because it recognized that it has international business opportunities. Now, Let's look at the international product life cycles. So first of all, farms creates product to meet local demand. Then number 2, farms export product to fulfill foreign demand. Then farms usually establish their foreign subsidiaries to establish their presence in foreign country, and in the meantime farms establish their foreign subsidiaries to reduce cost. And there are two options: farm will differentiate their product from competitors or expands product line in foreign countries, or farms foreign business will decline as a result of high competition or as its competitive advantages are eliminated. That's all about this lecture. In our next lecture, we'll cover how farms engage in international